Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble with your 5G network not working after updating iOS 16.5 or iOS 17, you're not alone. Today I'm going to guide you through some troubleshooting steps to get your 5G back up and running. So let's dive right in. First, make sure that 5G coverage is available in your area. You can check with your carrier's coverage map or website. Ensure that your iPhone model supports 5G. iPhones from the iPhone 12 series and newer are 5G compatible. Sometimes carrier settings need to be updated. Go to settings and on general about. If there's an update available for your carrier settings, you will see a prompt to update. Make sure your 5G is uh, enabled on your iPhone. Go to settings and then go to cellular. Go to cellular data options, click on 5 voice and data, select 5G on or 5G auto. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve network issues. So these are the steps uh, to fix the 5G network issues on your iPhone. If none of these steps work, you might need to contact Apple support or contact your carrier if there is any issue with your 5G plan or if there are network problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.